Welcome into the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing garlic rolls. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this recipe. I have half a cup of water here that I'm testing the temp on before I add my yeast. Okay, looks like it's good to go. We're going to go ahead now and add our yeast. I don't have yeast packets this time. This time I'm simply going to measure out my yeast. I'm trying to do an equivalent of 2 packs. That's what I'm aiming for here. First, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar to my water. That's going to help to activate my yeast. I'm giving it a slight stir here, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my yeast in there. Give it a little stir. Try and help it dissolve into the sugar. And then I'm going to cover this and let it go ahead and do what it's supposed to do. While we are waiting for my yeast to finish activating, which looks like it's doing a pretty good job already. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add to my flour. Mix in some salt and some salt here and some sugar. Okay, my yeast has done a really good job of activating itself, so we're going to go ahead and pour this now over into my mixing bowl. And then I'm going to also add in some milk. So let me go ahead and get this in here. I'm going to mix my half a cup of butter over into my evaporated milk, my pet milk. And then I'm just going to add this mixture to my yeast. And as you can see, my yeast is still doing its thing, so we got a good batch here going. I have my 2 egg yolks. I'm going to go ahead and set these to the side. Alright, so here we go. Everything's mixed in. I have my egg yolks in there. And I'm now going to go ahead and add in my flour mixture. And I'm going to use my hand blender to mix it up. Okay, now this is the amount of flour that I have left, and I'm going to use this to add to my dough to get it to not be so sticky. So this is the entire 3 cups that I poured up. All right, and this sticky right here, this is what you want. Your dough is going to turn out to be extremely soft, just the way you want it. So right here is the consistency that you're looking for. Don't worry about it being sticky because you're going to take care of that right now. Make it a little bit easier for me to get in there and do what I need to do. All right, so the same flour is where I'm getting ready to get in here and get down to business now. All right. I'm going to scrape it out of my bowl. All right. All right, this is what I want right here. And as you can see, this is really, really soft. All right, I'm gonna cover this. I'll be back in about 30 minutes and see what it looks like. While I'm waiting for my rolls to proof, I'm gonna chop up some Italian parsley. I have one huge garlic clove here, so I'm going to actually only use one. If you don't have one this size and you have the normal size ones, I would say use maybe 3 to 4. But I am using only one since this one is so huge. I'm going to mix this in with my dill, my avocado oil, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. I'll put a sprinkle of garlic powder in there because these are garlic rolls. So just a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm just going to put a little heat on this to not have the garlic so raw. Okay, everything has proofed up nicely. I'm going to go ahead and egg wash it down and get these into the oven. This is the best garlic bread I have had in a while. Okay. You guys gotta make you some. You guys take care.